In this video, I want to introduce a buy-sell indicator on TradingView that is amazing. To add this new indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search follow line, this one, which is written by Kivonk Ozbilgik. Alright, as you can see, the indicator has added buy-sell signals to our chart. This indicator is one of the popular indicators on MetaTrader platform that many forex traders use it for buy-sell signals, but it is not only limited to forex and you can use it in other markets. This indicator is built based on Bollinger Bands and ATR. Here in the settings of the indicator, you can see that ATR period is set at 5, Bollinger Bands at 21, and the standard deviation multiplier for the Bollinger Bands is set at 1. Make sure the ATR filter is on, so many of the false signals will be removed. For the trading strategy that I'm going to explain, the default settings are okay, but in other strategies, you may need to adjust the settings. As you can see, we have some very good trading signals like this one, or another example, for example, this buy signal here, but we have also bad signals, especially when the market is not trending and moving flat, like here in this part, here in this part, and in this part. And also in the pullbacks, we can have signals not worth of trading. So we need to filter them and only take the ones that are highly profitable. Here we click on indicators and we search CCI, this one, Commodity Channel Index, which is a very powerful momentum indicator. We need to change its settings. So here we go to the settings of CCI, and here for the length we set it at 100, and also better to change the color to white so you can better see and track the CCI line on the chart. This CCI line with the special settings that we made will help us with longer term trend of the market and filtering the signals during pullback and flat market. This setup can be used on any time frame and you can use it in any asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stock market. Let me teach you how you can trade based on this setup. It's very easy and you just need to pay attention to all of the points that I'm going to explain. When we have a sell signal like this, here the CCI line should be below the center line but not below -100. In other words, it shouldn't be oversold. So when we have a sell signal, CCI line should be between 0 and -100, and the second criteria is that when this candle is closed and we got a sell signal, here the amount of CCI should not be higher than the previous period. It should be lower for a sell signal. So here the sell signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at risk to reward ratio of at least 2. By the help of this strategy, we can catch large movements of the market. Alright, and when we have a buy signal like here with this one, here in CCI, the CCI line should be between 0 and 100. In other words, the line should not be in overbought condition, and also the amount of CCI should be more than the previous period. In this case, you can see that CCI is above 100, so this signal here is rejected. Here for this sell signal, CCI line is between 0 and -100, but as you can see, the CCI amount is higher than the previous period, so this signal also rejected. For this buy signal here, CCI line is between 0 and 100, but you can see that CCI amount is lower than the previous period, so this buy signal is also rejected. Moving back on the chart, here we have a sell signal and CCI line is between 0 and -100, and CCI amount is lower than the previous period, so the signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high, and this trade is also a very profitable trade where the price declined down to this point, reaching to expected profit target of risk to reward ratio of at least 2. As you can see in this part, we could easily filter the false signals and only take the profitable ones, and let's see how our strategy performs in this part. For this buy signal that we have here, CCI line is not above center line, so it is rejected. For this sell signal here, CCI line is oversold, so this one also rejected. For this buy signal here, you can see that CCI line is above 100, so this buy signal also rejected. And for the sell signal here, this is also rejected because CCI line is below -100. As you can see also in this part, we could successfully filter the false signals. Here we have a buy signal, and when we check CCI, we can see that CCI line is between 0 and 100, and the amount of CCI is higher than the previous period. So this buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, and this trade is also a very profitable trade, as you can see. For this sell signal here, which is a false signal, you can see that CCI line is below -100, so it is rejected. And for this buy signal here, which is not a good signal because the price declined at this part and hitting our stop loss, which we would place it around here. For this signal, CCI is below the center line, so this signal also not confirmed by the help of this setup. As you can see, this trading strategy is very accurate for finding profitable trading opportunities in the market, but please pay attention that it doesn't mean you will not encounter false signals. This is not possible in reality, and losing positions are always part of the game, and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategies that you can use. I have a complete guide to this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.